Sanibonani guys, how you guys? Isusi yangibhalela suthi untokozo yangibhalela uAusjosi. Na 2026 sengifisa ukuthi iphele cause hey angigowa ngifamba emoyeni. Usisi uAusjosi I'm shattered and I'm in a point where each decision engizoyenza manje it's going to cost me millions because of le 666 lela monna ke lelinyithi. uAusjosi mina I'm a young wife, ngina 32. My husband ngina 36. Sihlangane mina mangina 28 years old. Mangenza internship ku certain company next to company lena ayisebenzelayo. Uyabona uAusjosi mina bengintombazana nje ezokhelayo ke sinakolo by then and fresh from university. Uthi mina uAusjosi I'm one of those girls aba independent, well focused and like onaling the huge plans kabo philo wa high. I'm like that. So uthi ahlangane nobhuti ubrother already yena financially bigger stable and ubrother besetsa bereka ana nimi wa ga abereka. So like abona ngoyana fresh afetse ngofihla mo plekeng ela and then ubrother beso yangishela ke because of I was new kule area living sebenzela ke bengisaba because of you know wanna like the place situation abantu bazokuusa and stuff like that. Yabona uthi bengisaba ukudumela abuti but abuti was like you know what uhlala which side maybe like singayenza i-lift club go live there ukulethe emsebenzini then pick up drop off then you will pay me because awufuni ukuthi mina ngiphama lift usaba ukuthi ngizokutshontsha yabona uthi vele ngingavumi at first uthi azangikhombise like i-tech yakhe yasemsebenzini ukuthi no mina ngisebenza lana yabona angeke ngize ngokutshontshe ngibereka mo so please allow me ukuthi ngu-assist ngasolo ukugibela ama-transport ama-taxi akushiya lenzansi then khuphuke ngikalihili uroto uhetsela yabona uAusjosi like the way akhuluma ngakhona like arizang the points kathing you know what obviously as a girl uzothatheka because kunama point amanye la wabona ukuthi mara ubulela nento but I didn't want to show him ukuthi kahle I'm interested. Uthi ukayivela offer ticket lokupick up kana ku esonto then ngizokudrop and then uzongibhadala inyanga mayiphela. Uthi okay uthi ngitshele this other lady sebenzela ngithi hayi man ugayi uhlala after la mina ngihlala khona so uthi uzongidrop off angilandi i-lift club something like that. So if now interested because of siya travel sithunge taxi and when asukudrop off cala ungahamba nathi but ngizomcela ubrothers ukuthi uyavuma na. Uthi hayi ngimfonela ubrothers cause angiphi number no ngino Cindy lana man uCindy naye ufuna like ngaka transport ubona so is it fine if ngam invite ukuthi sihambe sonke sihambe so-3 every day na ubrothers angabi nenkinga uyasilanda ekseni uyasdrop off afternoon uyasilanda ekseni every single day yabona uthi first month yadlula since asola sijoli but kinamela kopili and ubrothers ukhuluma nami kahle ungibiza umama yabona dunyana tsizijwa romantic. So uthi my colleague uCindy athi him athi you know what friend this guy like bengeke aza kwenze kulo konke lokho if angakuthandi so for me lana segoli so ungasolithatha umuntu right isoludlala ngayo umbeke yangereni or ke tlamona bakhona abamnamehlo batlamona bamthathe before wena umthatha enthi ukuthi leso sikhathi wona so fully in love naye kanti manje indoko yabona so ugirl uthi vela amagama kaCindy namangishayi because manje say that month sihamba nalomuntu lona like ubrothers must drop off uCindy lacala khona aqhubeka uyangishela yabona so lo mina ngiyadecline uthi lelo langa after mina noCindy siba nale conversation and then wabe siya continue ukukhuluma nami hawusisi kanti umpya kuguy because ke 3 months already so lusala uthi awusuthi that lo zangisajika ngavela ngathi you know what we can try it but mina ngifuna ukushaya intombi yakho okay uthi hayi no angina ntombi engeke ngize ngikulandelele kangaka nginentombi so I'm single benginayo umuntu unfortunately athola ukuthi unama boyfriend ayithi ungambhacane boyfriend so for now bengithi ngifuna ukuhlala ngihile before ngiya to the next person. Uthi uAusjosi hayi mina no brothers ribemo uthi hayi mina vele no brothers yazi guys umkhuhlane wangidisturb mina no brothers vele sibe sithandane. Uthi uAusjosi kube ukuthi ubrothers vele uyangicocela like life history yakhe umuntu njani in like remote staging we get to know each other. Nami ngiyamchazela ngumuntu onjani ini yena ufunde ini ona degree ona nami ngimchazele nami ngifundile nginani things like that. Yep, things like that yabo. Hayi uthi sijole no brothers hayi 6 months edlule ubrothers asikamfa mathatha uthi the level of respect ubrothers beka ngipha na strength brothers igama sensitive Ike ne uthi the level of respect Ike ngipha yona like ke morata be ke moratela or one respect and like uyenza sure ukuthi ngihappy before yena ngaba happy izinto like ama qualities bengiwabheka kuye ukuthi like akafuna ngibona ngihlukumezekile awuthi hanka bajwa mothola thathi la hayla yema lemelana uthi ama signs ukuthi uyangithanda and futhi sibe together for a very long time beka khona yabona uthi awuthi ngenza internship yami ize iphele uthi mayiphela internship I company in absorb vele bangithathe permanently yabona uthi awuthi my husband athi him one time leso sikhathi se boyfriend phela athi kimi athi and I don't think ukuthi it's fine ukuthi every time uyazozovakasha I weekend and then what's ama uyakublacking how excuse me so I think it's best now ukuthi introduce ana kuma families and then yenze this thing ibe official abona awuthi naku bengayicabanga like bengacabanganga umshado yabona uthi angitshele kanjalo athi no I think it's time ukuthi ngithathe ngikhomba basekithi uthi at le weekend le befuthi bengifisa ukuthi le weekend le sale sihamba or awushozi hayi weekend base inform basekibi ukuthi uzoza bathuzana isivakashi hayi si drive sekhabo guy masifika khabo guy everyone was so welcoming abantu bayangithanda abantu bangamkela especially because of I'm working makoti kulobona hayi bangwelcome abayajabula yabatshela ukuthi ngisebenza kuphi hey mfazi wami ufundile ke inkokayi yabona things like that hayi the following weekend kube ukuthi nambele ngimisa ekithi vele yabona the side of the family nami ngimeintroduce as my boyfriend wagodrobongo but go happy go kai what's about the family ama family sanjani especially if brothers owabereka ona le stable job and utsamenga kolo yabona nami ekithi bam welcome hobe monati man both sides kulobona uthi awushozi hayi masisa sihleli uthi ubrothers atshela ubhuti wami ukuthi if ngifuna uletha ileta yamahati ngayipha ubani because like I think ukuthi kumele kuzizinkomo now that sengibonile ukuthi ikubuma kodwa kuphi uthi ahleli ngaphandle no abutaka statement abut was like you can give it to my sister then siswamuza iletha la nikithi then we will take it from there what I sijike sendlini uthi mina my brother angitshela ukuthi brothers mtshelo ini uthi masifike endlini ubrothers athi you know what baby I think we can't kumele ukuthi ujikuyekini uyisele incwadi haunqwadi I think ukuthi I'm ready ukuthi kuyiramsadi yaka officially what I was choosing ngingabelieve like impilo yami like ihamba smooth and nomuntu azange ngibone amaphutha ever since nginaye azange ngibone like ama mistakes wakhe beside ukuthi indoda like idilunyana zithi izinto lezi azenza ukuthi ushithwa letimile sometimes amakosi wakho alahla yonke indawo like dilunyana zenziwa but ukuthi uyangimistreater or ubwele na somehow azange what I was just ngibe excited I called my mama baringa rethoba le bayeng so I'm bringing in ileta nge weekend hi ubrothers anike sisters ileta ikabo makoti alright basete idate ba confirm idate hi in 2 months time bahabo umkhonyana baze ikithi what I was just bekumnandi because financially saying right brothers financially alright wathola ukuthi izinto ethi siyaziplana kuba i-engagement party mahadansiwa ngoba engagement party kwaba mnandi and then that's when ngamova in officially ngahlala no brothers bekarentile la ngahlala khona holiday flats party flats like ezifana nama townhouses bekuhlela bakahlala khona because of abut ithing global so uthi ngimove in lapho masele sihlele lapha no brothers athi you know what I don't want ilobola yethu engagement yethu ithatha isikhathi I think ukuthi let's make it official let's plan umshado kubentwe officially sakuthi siqedile kuma families nani manje say impilo iba about us and creating our very own little family I was just or hobe agreement bophelo it's king or hobe ngare ke rama kuma fure or bophelo bobe smooth bushelele kube ngathi amafutha ora awushozi brothers nabekibo brothers nabasekithi babe ukuthi vele bayahlanganisa idate horho organize welinyalo or awushozi linyalo lokho belelibhila mshado wami omuhle or like a beautiful wedding bekumuhle everything bekungifisa ukuthi bekhona emshadweni wami belithing or awushozi my husband omunye umuntu okham othulile and umuntu like unganama secrets athi masihe emsebenzini uya emsebenzini isikhathi sakhe sokushayisa I know with 30 minutes obuma 40 kuya ngetraffic uzaba sendlini Saturday morning uyavuka uye ejimini makabe ejimini we go out like kubophilo barena like ikulo one like they wesiphila ngakhona Sunday ekseni siyavuka sonke sesontweni like impilo siphilayo uyabona after lenyalo. What I was just brothers ati let's buy a house together. Singing indlu. I think we deserve indlu and a beautiful house. What I was just this is such a woman areas totally indlu and beautiful house elingi millions. Uthi senze a joint bond yeah. Si apply le indlu we got approved si movele in endlini or masimuvele endlini la ngifind out ukuthi I'm pregnant kube munati abuti organize with one of my friends bangenzela baby shower or like bophilo bakubukeng or bako TV uthi impilo bengiphila I don't want to lie uthi hayi umntwana afike impilo manje we need to adjust phela sekunengane uthi awushozi mina umuntu amshesa ngo4 mina la ngisebenza khona ngishesa ngo5 so mostly yena ufika aqala mina ngifika emuva yabona so uyafika collect umntwana crèche and then siya endlini then yena uyaqala uyapheka so athi kimi athi you know what my wife I don't think ukuthi le ndaba ilukuthi ngicollect umntwana ngifike ngimgeze ngipheke then when you come back or sometimes yaphinika so uyagijima ujahela ukuthi ufuna ufika before ngipheka rather we hire someone else ozo clean la endlini apheke then thina the only thing we do ukuthi ngicollect umntwana ngifike la endlini uthi hayi kube mutual agreement between the two of us sifuna umuntu but angitshele my husband I don't want umuntu ogugile azosela ngemithi laba azosithakatha no I want someone that we can relate to someone angarelate kithi like almost our age group but kube umuntu ukuthi lo msebenzi dala wenza like abe le references so one le references abona uthi I was choosing si discuss ukuthi abe like abe sharp uthi siqashe omunye intombazana uthi siqashe intombazana mara usisa sintombazana uthi simqashe usisi kube ukuthi ubheka umntwana abheka umntwana unfortunately usisi washonela umntwana then wafisa uyayekazi ke sahira omunye usisi uthi masihira this one already bese pregnant umntwana wethu uboyithu simhire the other lady asebenze but one thing benginotice ngaye ukuthi akaclean kahle and noku ayina ayirizona because we wanted ukuthi abe helper yethu befuthi ngama weekends if siyaphuma usala nomntwana or I was just ngibona ukuthi like izinto eziningi akazenzi according the way mina ngifuna ngakhona yabona ngidiscuss nobaba ukuthi no man this lady ngiyabona hayi ubaba naye athi you know what I've noticed ukuthi ngathi akasebenzi uhlala the whole day and then lena thina masoshayisa athi ready touch up so uthi sim release ke sicashe this other lady that name manje helper sicashe this lady lady afike vele abe hard working abe right ngabe ne stress mangifika endlini u right kulobona uthi ngimtshele ukuthi you can wash izimpahla everything the bedding but ungazwashi impahla zomyeni wami mina ngizozwa uthi nge weekend ngwasha impahla zomyeni wami bewe roll vele ukuthi impahla zomyeni wami aziwashwa and if let's say like usisi upheke something else and my husband ufuna something else mina I will cook for my husband anoma ngabuya maybe very late if ever bekaye ku gym aphinda be late athola ukuthi bapheke something else mina I will cook because of Kimona or like the level of respect my husband angihlonipha ngayo nami nginikeza the very same thing. Uthi one time ube emsebenzini usisi uyangilanda the helper uyangilanda yazini ilokuthi before azongilanda my husband uthi kimi uthi yazi le ntombazana le ngiyadlula kulobona so ushayeke ngemistake mangidlula so umuntu uthi wathi kana wayempetha diboni yabona the husband utshela the wife banna yazi amadoda ngakuthi uNkulunkulu ngaba creative ekacabangeni shame yo bathi the husband utshela usisi before they help her, atshela usisi kuthi no ngidlulile kuye, like ushayeke ngemistake, so umuntu wavuka wathi or bathi angazi usisi bekaqunamile yabona, bekaduna usi so angazi ukuthi what happened ukuthi uhusband aqine esibunini sakasisi, so bathi usisi wathi ajika wanchapha libona sisi wanyanya walinda usisi makashayisa. Uthi mina mangifika already the husband sekangitshela side of his story, ugela ngitshela athi no ngibusy ngikhona ngintunusile, so the husband umspenkile akispe anunchapile kutlole unchapile, so ake mmutsa arena ngibethile ka mistake na feta yabona. Uthi sisi wathi nje uthi you know what, if indoda yakho like that nna ke resign akisawubata umsebenzi ukawusani katsamana yabona. Uthi I was choosing mangala my husband ngiyayazi yami indoda yahlonipha yangihlonipha, ayina cheating scandals, ayina silo, so why angazi acabanga ukuthi angashaya ihelper motho aklina ngomontlungu akhonali. What I was like akhonalo sisi, pack your things and leave my house. Ungathong kenara hamuna waka lena amai lena hayi bathi vele kube kanjalo sister sivele bampakisa amabheke, usister sekuseni uthi mangemsebenzini yodropa of umntwana ngamgibeza ngamdropa erenkeni carrots amayisenhle athi labe ngebuza uwine le mfoda ngeyami. Or I was just bekina lisibetisa hore I know this man ngihleli na isikhathi sithi azange ube nandi side chick dramas, azange ube liluse lisnacks kangetsang tsona, so why bengambilive yabona. Uthi hayi husband athi ungawari mama sisothola umunye umuntu oright uzosibhekela umntwana for time being, mina ngizombheka umntwana ngize ngikline ngipheke then wena ngizoklina ke ngama weekend ifuthi isikhathi. Uthi hayi senze kanjalo but still ngingasebenzeli because manje abantwana sebayi2 engasebenzeli, hayi ngube ukuthi sengiyafuna ke umuntu. Uthi one of my colleagues athi no there is this lady bekasebenzela this other lady, so uphelele emsebenzi, so maybe I can connect to naye and then nikhulumisana ukuthi nenza kanjani yabona. Uthi hayi angiphe inamba ngifonela usisi ngidinga umuntu ozongibhekela abantwana bayi2 ozoklina otlopheha ape yabona, are you available in ihlala bakhulumisane. Sisi was like yo ngi available futhi ngiphele emsebenzi and nginabantwana mina engibakhulisayo. Hayi usisi bathi bayenze appointment ukuthi as Saturday bazokhona ubonana, if ever bawuqona ka dipolelo uzomqasha. Hayi uthi iviki liphele Saturday usisi vele bazana ukuthi bayohlangana somewhere coffee shop. Uthi hayi usisi vele kanti indeed afike. Usisi makafika urke awus omoright unomzimba omuhle like usisi oright ngemosotho uthi hayi usisi afike no bengiplan ukubuyela Lesotho because of ngiphelele umsebenzi, so can you please ngiqashani akinetaba le chelete silonge singabereka khona romela bana chelete bana ingobona chelete hayi ke nna ke ba ngibasupportayo yabona. Uthi usisi abe right like le language u right wa tlhompha umpitsa mme stuff like that. Uthi ishi ngithi ema yazini there is no need ukuthi singathi hamba uzobuya, let me take you endlini asihlala khona ngokhomba ukuthi uzosebenza umsebenzi ngangani workload nemali nanibona ukuthi uyavuma. If wadumela he utlatsamaya onka diaparo tsa hao then tomorrow Sunday utle upalame taxi go kae then na ke tla pick up umuntu. Ayi kuzwane like that. Or I was just kuvunyelwana kanjalo umuntu afike endlini kucheckiwe hayi kube ukuthi vele siyazwana ngeprice usisujabulile. My husband naye uthi mina ngimbona right, especially cause benganja sebenza ngithi uthi colleague yakhe bekasebenza akatha abantwana ayizowenza lo msebenzi awenza la kuvunyelwane ke usister si bamkhaphe ayekorenke nganamela ahuhle. Sunday ifike usister si abe ukuthi uyafika ke Sunday bamwelcome bamtshela ukuthi sasekuseni siyovuka in bamtshela everything. Hayi yabona this week ne ngisha husband edition kahle lingalo husband edition. Hayi usisi uthi hayi usister si asettle in inyanga edlule, second month indlule si right, abantwana sebayamjwayela nami sengajwayela ukuthi sinomuntu omusha and alright uruthwala shapuwa ayina waklina uyenza everything perfect ngingabe nenkinga. Uthi hayi angitshela usisters athi mina awusi this week ngizoya eclinic, uthi vele umuntu ohlala ukuthi uya eclinic then maka eclinic ucela ukuthi abe ne day off if kitsatsile hala we ko clinicing uyacela ukuthi abe ne day off and then uyahamba uya kumuntu wakhe ubona boyfriend yakhe ke then uthi sometimes ngama weekend uyacela ukuthi ayingibona umuntu wami elokushini then uyabuya singabi nenkinga like kube into ukuthi normal ukuthi maka eclinic ayohlela and then uya get day off uyahamba uya ku boyfriend uzobuya the following day ekseni hayi singabi nenkinga. It was a Wednesday I was just lelo lang Wednesday kube ukuthi mina should day ngitshela my husband ukuthi no I need to take my car in for service so ngizohamba ekseni ngidrop and then bona bangikhapha emsebenzini then bazayiletha emsebenzini ke mabaceda ubrothers athi no it's fine plus mina angiye emsebenzini bengakwisela mara imoto and then ngibuye ngizosebenza so wife was like no man angifuni ukustress utfanele uvuka uhambe uphinde ubuye ngapha you need to catch up emsebenzini it's fine wena hlalala endlini mina I will take the car and then ratlabona and then lelo lang ililanga leli umme the helper ayangabe clinic so uthi vele acele umme ukuthi maybe before hamba ngicela ukuthi ulungisele abantwana then upapa tengu uzabayisa ke ecrash and then mina ngirush ekseni because fanele ukuthi ngisi service before 7 kwanse ngifikile because unoba isimoto fanele ise early yabona ukuthi bakhona ukuyenza the very same thing. Hayi kuzone kanjalo uthi amtshela ukuthi am remind arme usikalebala nakya ku clinic ngajeko klabe ke sting the whole day. Hayi sisters uthi hayi nyaza ngakhohlwanga uthi hayi mina vele ngiziphumele elendlini ngihambe uthi mangisendleleni while driving ngithi yo usisi uyahamba abantwana bahlabala esikolweni my husband uzaba yi1 so wangacela emsebenzini drop off imoto then abangikhapha bangidrop off endlini and then ngibe no husband I'm like real quality time together ubona uthi ngizele namqondo lo ngithi ay ngizomsurprise ubona uthi afonele emsebenzini ukuthi no ngicela ukuthi ungazi emsebenzini namuhla in kolo ubona ngiyacela abathi line manager yakhe ifume uthi mayivuma makafika lapha na drop off imoto kube ukuthi imali ukuthi alinde because already seyiphumile ikhapha abanye abantu but alinde nyani uthi around boma 7:45 bampick up ke bathi bayamkhapha athi no ngicela ngidrop off mall drop off lana mall and then ngiza Uber from here to home yabona hayi kungabi nenkinga ke Rasho ngifike emall mangifika vele it was around 2:09 already mall sizovula uthi ngilinde nyana imall ivule uthi awusizike kulwethi kerekele strawberry wena di cream le spray ayo phela or wena bo mitinyana platter nyana yibona yasivulwezile platter le ama ready made uthi ngithenga izinto ezi romantic di chocolate love chocolates or like kerekele ulenyana tsekitsi bang gore like they are romantic because in my mind I'm planning ukuthi mangifike endlini go dira picnic kwala ko dining room nalmothwaka re baba babedi re bakjena awubona kuba mnandi arina disturbance uthi engqondweni nami ngicabanga kanjalo uthi ngithenge ne champagne or awusuze kube like something ekiplana nya picnic small yana picnic yabathu babedi bakontlo uthi hayi ngiceda lana vele kube ukuthi vele ngirequesta iUber ukuthi ingidrop off endlini hayi uthi mang request Uber vele ingidrop uthi gating like we have this big gate remote then we have this small gate labo sisi laba abanceda la endlini bangena khona uthi ngidecide ukuthi emangene la yabona because mangena nge-big gate fanele ukuthi ngiyovula i-garage so ke bathotsena ku kitchen ke surprise emotho asangikutlora getla yabona uthi ngene ku small gate hayi mangithi ngiyajikeleza so like a small gate asingaphambili isesayidini endlu uthi mangithi ngiyajikeleka so ngotsana komnye kungakho kitchen uthi unyango wase kitchen ngithola vele uvula because kuyashisa ngithola vele sovuliwe kancane bawusame isitse yabona ngithi hayi ngiyamazi umuntu wami vele akazwana nokushisa uthi vele kikena or awusithi akikena ko kitchen uthi ngiwutlwa sound uthi ngizwe sound ethi or maybe TV kirawana or maybe like my husband utlolezi ko laptop uthi mangeza ama sound anjalo uthi ngibeka umthwalo or awusithi like impilwaka bokara bayinsise bayibi yakofathi uthi ngizwa uthi like let's hold limbethe or what's going on or is it TV or in laptop what's going on or awusithi ngijike ngithi ngiyizwa sound ivela kuphi or kijike kantlokere kinamele di stepisi ngiyako hodim or sound inyarela ko hodim anya really I very endance iko hodimo go robala nkoteng gore I was just walk very slowly, very slowly ore angakutshela ukuthi ngingakafanga lelo la ngeke ngisafa uthi angeke ngisafa awushosi uthi mawungena like go awuqeda ukujika ama stepsini uza so uthi ngiyazi ukuthi manje like mothwateng into ayitsanga bana uyira ka mofuthu kulobona sekuseduze la yakhona ore awushosi ngihambise uthi ngivile ngithi umnyango ore awushosi my helper on top of my man alibhizi uthi ngithize mangithi dlu umnyango both of them bebathukile like awushozi azangaphila for ngikeskrime kele or ketse jwang uthi ngathena around ngabiyela phansi ngaphuma ngomnyango ngama ngaphandle kwaba ngathi into engiyibonile angayibonanga like the way bengichachaze ingazi ukuthi ngicale ngibuze ngithini uthi mangiphuma my husband waqoka masinya wangisalemo ubaxohlalusha or I was told there is nothing to hlalusha because already kibonni and on top of more my husband lemothula on empedeni wami if bafuna ukutshontsha nabangatshontsani outside my house uthi I was choosing mangingaphandle inhliziyo yami ethibele endlini utrapa lezinja uthi mangithi ngiyajika my husband nangu usaceda indlela hi baby ngiyaxolisa angazi ukuthi ngenwe yini in uthi ngamtshela ngahle ngathi you know what there is nothing to apologize for when you've taken your decision ukuthi mina ngizoba mthadi yawo but uzolala nama helper wami shuthi le ntombazane sayiqosha wamshaya vele ibhono kodwa asoze kusho like uringa izinto eziningi ukuthi that's why bengafuna umuntu omdala that's why bengafuna umuntu omuso age group yethu I was just correct the level of respect I have for my husband iphumele ngalelo window uthi I didn't know ukuthi ngifonele family yakhe whether I should call my mother or my family or ketse jwang or inentombazana le alele nayo or I was just yagcoka yaphuma kanje left everything wavele wahamba wabaleka my husband was trying each and everything ukuthi uyaxolisa udrang or awusholise lerato litsamayile awushozi how can you forgive someone umbonelele nomuntu wena bombona as a sister as a helper yabantwana bakho but then anabona msadi yangu athi ngifeel ukuthi lo muntu lona akaqala ukuyenza lento le labantu labe bala I think bikalala nabo just with that one lo amspenka lentombazane le yaba ne courage that I'm not going to be used like that awushozi angazi ngenze kanjani because I've decided to you know what abuti because of no what bami kwanti wa Pitori ngiphumela ngendlu hamba uyofuna indawo yokurenta which because of bekancenga uvele waphuma wafuna indawo wamuva in lapha endaweni like he calls ucheck abantwana uyangithumela imali uyenza everything meza nasemsebenzini but inhliziyo yami iyabanda towards yena or I was just I didn't want to see myself as a divorcee but hona no the only mnyako ukubona uyi1 kwa divorce aketse bore ketse jwang athi ngicela bo mama aba ku TikTok abalo mo channeling ba kileng ba tshwarela bona ba bona ba robetse le basadi gore le ba tshwarela jwang mfeng advice I know ukuthi umuntu wami umuntu right ungiphethe kahle uphethe abantwana kahle but aketse bore ke le demon living them tseneng but na the only door ke bona ke divorce I don't know whether should I fight for my marriage or should I just let everything crumble. Hayi amadoda ma 666 shem whether nemali akanamali whether asebenza akasebenzi bayafana bonke. Hey mina ngazi shem yazini iphanusisi advice cause indaba yakhe ibhlungu iqale inhle story siflow hole munade only for the men to mess up. So bengicela nimuphi advice shem mosisi ukubuthoko. Bye guys.